All right, here's Arthur's brand new home. It's like a castle for him. And he really enjoyed it last night when we put it in here. There he is. Now he has room for all of his toys and room to move around and go from part to part. And yesterday or last night, he was just going through and checking all of his new toys out and all of the different perches. As you see, it's a pretty large cage, and I like this one a lot. So, here he is, sitting in his new home, his little castle. If I can get a picture of him. Well, let's zoom out a little bit. He's in there. And like I said, it's a pretty big one. It was on sale for $41.99. And he likes to sit really close to his mirror. So right now he's just kind of chilling in the back. But he's got a long way to get to the other side. Yeah. And really easy access because you can actually pull the top off. Really easy. See? And that gives you access to your little furry friend, feathered friend. Come here, baby. Up. Up. Up, Arthur. Come on. Good boy. Say hello, Mommy. Hello. 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 Arthur. Hello, Arthur. Hello, Arthur. All right, you want to get back in? So like I said, it's easy access, so I think this is a wonderful cage, and he really seems to like it. So this is the one he'll be living in for quite some time and playing around in. And that's Arthur Bird's brand new home. Yeah, he bought a foreclosed home. Isn't that right? Say I bought a foreclosed home. Hello, baby. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, Arthur Bird. What's the word, Arthur Bird? Are you just being camera shy today? Huh? I'm gonna get you later. I'm gonna get you later.